We got some good snow here in Oregon. This is pretty rare. So, but we got stuff to do today. Get in here without. What we're doing today is we're going to make a mount for this. We got some parts from Swag Off-Road to beef this up. We also got some square tubing dies because that's the next thing we got to do. And then over here we got this stand from an old transmission jack. So we're going to make a rolling stand for this tubing bender or tubing roller. And we're going to beef it up in preparation for our job that we're working on right now. Alright, so we got a box here from Swag Off-Road. I gotta be honest, I did not know that they were in Oregon. It says that they're from Bend, so I wonder it got here so quick. Let's see what we got in here. Invoice, very, very nicely packed. Man, these must be the dies. Oh, look at that. Yeesh, that's heavy. Okay. Very nicely packaged stuff here. Two-inch square dies. There you go. Let's take a look at these 2-inch square dies. Woo! This is stuff. Oh, I see. All right, that sucker is beefy. That's heavy. I think that's the middle die, the one that spins, and these ones are the ones. Yep. Float. We got some bearings somewhere in this box. There's some set screws and a keyway. And then in order to do this, you need, I don't know why yet, but you need this shaft. So I'm guessing that's a replacement for the center shaft or something, not sure. Let's see what else we got here. Like this little box. Yep, there's our bearings. Looks like we've got instructions on how to weld our plates together, or weld our, what are they calling this? Harbor Freight tubing roller weld on wings. So this is supposed to strengthen up the tool and also spread the dies farther apart, making it easier to roll things. So there's our instructions. We got our bearings for our rollers. We got our axle. We got a Swag Off-Road sticker. Okay. What's left? Ah, the wings. Weld on wings. Looks to be about 1/4 inch thick. 4 of them. So we got those. And then we've got these 4 guys. Not sure where they go yet. So there we go. I think that's our whole kit. Alright, so we got our 2-inch square tubing rollers, or tubing roller dies, and then we have our weld-on wings, and we got our old transmission jack stand, or the wheels from the transmission jack. We're going to work on this today. We're going to get this whole thing together and get it ready to roll some tubing. All right, so the first thing you gotta do when you're installing this kit is you gotta pull this, you gotta take the dies out. And there's 3 set screws. I've already loosened them, but that's not enough apparently. So let's pull them out more. Let's just pull them out all the way and see what happens here. Pull that guy out. There's your die. Alright, here we are. So the first thing we got to do according to our instructions is we need to put these pins through here. Alright, so we got our pins in here, just like this. We got our spacer, and then we got to weld this little spot right here. We got to do that on all 4. And that's actually perfect for this table. Perfect scenario here. Alright, here it is. It's done. I have a tubing roller on a stand that rolls. It also rolls. The stand rolls and rolling tubing roller rolls tube. Anyways, dumb joke. So one thing I didn't really show what I was going to do is I added these little studs on here so I could put more dies in the future, well, and hold the ones that I got there. And then I kind of realized that I don't have anywhere to put this little axle for this factory die here. But it fits here just fine, and it should stay there. And then if I order any more dies, I think they're going to be from Swag Off-Road, so they'll just use this same axle. In fact, those round tube dies are really terrible. They have like pitting in them and stuff, and they mess up the tube. So I do need to get more dies for this in the future, for sure. And then if we get too many, we can just add more studs on there. There's 4 sides of that tube, so. But yeah, this is it. It's all beefed up. It looks pretty sweet, I'd say. Put a couple stabilizers on there. This thing is ready to go to work. It's getting late. I'm gonna call it quits for today, and then tomorrow we're gonna put this thing to work, and I'll make sure to include some footage of me rolling a tube with this. But thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button for me. Hit that subscribe button. Smash the bell so you get notified of new videos coming out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.